name is Mercy, and I'll be taking us through types of cake. So, first thing, what is a cake? A cake is an item of soft, sweet food made from a mixture of flour, which is baking flour, shortening, which can be margarine or any other form of shortening like chroma, eggs, sugar, and other ingredients baked and often decorated. So, we have different types of cakes. And number one is a pound cake. A pound cake contains a pound of butter, flour, sugar, and eggs. The butter pound cake is a familiar example and is considered to be the basis for all layer cakes. So a pound cake contains a pound, which equally means that the mixture, the ingredients are of the same measure. Let's say if you use 1 cup of butter, you're going to use 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of eggs. And normally pound cakes are rich in flavor, and their texture is firm because of the ingredients are equally measured. Just as you can see in this sample, in this picture sample attached here. So number two is sponge or foam cake. So a sponge cake, which is called the foam cake, has an airy, light texture because of large amount of air put into the eggs. So a sponge cake is a cake which is made of a large amount of eggs, which contains a large amount of eggs with the ingredients. And types of foam cakes can be the chiffon cake and angel food cakes. They are normally found in the supermarkets and just as you can see in this picture attached here, the texture seems to be hairy, seems to be light of the cake. Why? Because of the air that was incorporated when the eggs were being beaten by the whisk. Because the higher you whisk, the more you whisk your eggs, the higher the hair is incorporated, and makes the texture or the texture of the cake becomes so airy and light. So next is angel food cake. So an angel food cake is a type of foam cake which is made with egg whites, but not egg yolks. The air is whipped into the egg whites, leavens the cake. Once the egg white have been whipped, the cake batter must be finished quickly or it collapses when the air beaten to the egg whites escapes. So an angel food cake basically is a type of a cake that is made of egg whites which are beaten regularly that forms a meringue. Meringue is a white substance that occurs when egg whites are beaten. So as we have been instructed that an angel food cake, after the eggs have been beaten, the other ingredients should be incorporated immediately so that the density does not go down while baking. So the next cake is a chiffon cake. A chiffon cake is made by using whipped egg whites to lighten the batter. Okay, not for chiffon cake, you're using both egg yolks and egg whites. For angel food, you're using only egg whites. So chiffon cake, it's made by using egg whites, and then the other egg yolks and the part of sugar are whipped into full volume, and the other ingredients are added to come and be folded into the egg whites. So yeah. So the next cake is a high ratio cake. And high ratio cake is a type of a cake that contains a high ratio of both liquids and sugar, giving the cake a very moist and tender texture. So it is necessary to use a high ratio of shortening or emulsified shortening to help absorb the quantity of liquids. So a high ratio cake will use both equal measures of liquids and sugar, making it very moist and a tender texture, as you can see in the picture attached here. A good example is wedding cakes of a high ratio cake. So yeah, that was my presentation. Thank you for listening.